how to make only people you follow can tag you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only people you follow can tag you on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and then just click privacy and scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and here you will find it people you follow. Click on it and then now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.